In this section, we're going to navigate the Resources Hub. And here is where we would have our Resources Hub and our Research Hub. So the Resources Hub is our community-based skills database curated by our community within OJAI. And so what you're able to do is find a number of different things from videos, audio, courses, webinars, books by chapter, articles, and so on and so forth. This is a personally curated space for our community here in OJAI in order to create real valuable resources for our community that's readily and accessible. Now, things to know about here is that you have a couple of different options. So you also are able, in some cases, create courses, and for some of those courses, the user who created them will offer a course certification. If you do own a course certification, you'll be able to find your certifications here. Right? It is an actual certification that you would receive via email, and then you would also have it here. You can also print it out with OJAI, but these are actually OJAI-based certifications from here. Some of them, if they are accredited certification that they're offering, those will be offered by a third external, but these are just simply OJAI-based certifications for completing that course if they choose to offer it. You're able to track any courses that you've completed, how far you've gone along with those courses by going here, clicking this button. And if there's any resource that you choose to bookmark, you can bookmark them by simply going to Save to My Library and then going to Saved Resources, and then it'll be able to find them there quickly and easily. You can choose how many pages of resources you want to show and navigate them by recently added from oldest to soonest. So pretty straightforward. Some of the ways you can kind of see how this sort of would look like. Here you may have a article here. Able to go through. Sometimes the forum is available for you to access, and the forum is sort of like a public place to ask questions or share some more insights. We do ask that everyone who uses the forum be respected, or you could end up being banned from the forum or banned from the platform altogether. Here, there's an optional, if they allow you to optionally download this resource. And here's a link to also share that resource externally or internally within the platform. Okay. Similar here, we have another resource that was created. And as you can see in this one, the author chose to disable the forum. So the forum's not always going to be accessible. And then same thing, may be optional that they will allow you to download it. Next from here, we want to talk about the Research Hub. The Research Hub is driven by a number of different API, which gives you access to about 600 million publications and scholarly works globally. There's a variety of ways to go through the Research Hub and search it. You can start by year, start year, end year. You can choose to click only open access only. And then you can go through and choose up to 19 different filters. So you can look up articles, other data sets, book about. So we'll do a quick example and let's talk about, ocean plastics. Right. And so the system will load in here. We've been able to find so far about 2,300 results. And so we can really go in here and say, hey, maybe perhaps I only want to see open access available. And so now you're able to go through and view the landing page for those resources. It'll take you, each one of these will open up into a different tab. And you can sort of see what kind are they a PDF? Are they a landing page? See, sort of really understand what they are. You can also toggle between the light and dark version of the resource in Data Hub, depending on what your preference is. And so you could also bookmark them in order to come back and find them. So if you want to bookmark them, you have to come back and find it. Here it will be your bookmarks so that you're able to go back and navigate through your research seamlessly. And let's say, again, you want to go through articles. If you wanted to do works by authors, sources, or topics, if you really want to go search by, have it filtered by publication year or cited count, you have all that available to you here within the Research Hub. And the system is great. It allows you to also toggle between the Resource Hub in the Research Hub without sort of like using your space. And so here you have your catalog of research and Research Hub. One of the next videos, we'll talk about, if your organization or premium member, how you'll be able to add into the Resource Hub. Thank you.